I think it's just sitting there. But this lady goes crazy and is drunk, and I get that she is worried, but I think she was doing a little too much, because if you notice the other people around her, they're not panicking at all. I mean, she wanted CNN, Fox News, NBC. She wanted everybody out here. But y'all check out the clip, man. Let me know what you think.
Who got the news? You got CNN news report or somebody? Call CNN. Where is the fire marshals? I got CNN in my back pocket. Y'all better fix this shit. Y'all all going to jail today. We got a big lawsuit. Hello? I'm dead serious. Kidnapping these people on this damn rock. Get them all. Call the people. Hey, call 911, boy. Call CNN. Call CNN right now. We at Six Flags in Georgia. Hello. They locked FaceTime me. They locked on the train. What this is? Whatever ride it is. I don't know. Call the police. I'm so serious. They locked on the ride. Hello. Kurt, call the police. Wait, FaceTime me. FaceTime me right now. I got all you motherfuckers on camera. What's going on? I'm about to use it on myself. I got my niece on that train. Put CNN out here. Hello, they trapped on the train. Excuse me, sir. They locked on the train. Is they coming out alive? That's all that matters. I'm on Cougar Brown, baby. I'm drunk and I'm upset because my niece can't get off. I came here to have fun. I didn't come here for a nervous breakdown. I'm so emotional. What we doing, sir? Is they gonna be okay? Thank you. You show. Everybody gonna survive. That's all that matters.